The next thing we need to do with our iAd banner is to add a set of methods that control the banner view. As you recall, we've already added the banner view to our view. Well, we need to be able to control the view. We need to use something called the banner view did load add method. And I'm going to start typing it here. Start with the dash, returns void, banner view did load add is set up for us right here with the add banner view and the banner. Add our bracket and it creates the other bracket for us. So now we're ready to type in the definition of this method. If the banner is visible, what we want to say here, then we want these statements to occur. First, UI view, animate with duration, time interval of 1. The animations within that banner view frame, CG rect offset, the banner view dot frame 0 and 50 semicolon, and we close that bracket. We've established the animate with duration in the UI view when the banner view did load. We also established that banner view is visible. Remember, the banner view is offset 50 pixels above the top of the view and is therefore not visible. So this method changes the offset for the banner view to show it and sets banner is visible to yes. Next, I'm going to implement a 30-second delay before canceling the perform request and implementing the hide banner method. And we'll do that here by typing NSObject, cancel, previous perform requests with target, self, close bracket, self, perform selector, at selector, hide banner, with object, nil, after a delay of 30 seconds. Okay, there's that method. The banner view did load add method. It's called when a new banner ad is loaded. And as I said, since the banner view is offset 50 pixels above the top of the view, we had to change the offset for the banner view to show it and set banner view is visible to yes and put in a 30-second delay before canceling the perform request and before implementing the hide banner method. Assuming, of course, that we don't want our users to have to see the ad for more than 30 seconds. Well, we need a hide banner method. So let's start typing that. Void returns hide banner center. Okay, so we've got our brackets ready to type it in. If the banner is visible, what are we going to do? Once again, scroll through UI view, animate with duration 1, animations as follows. Banner view dot frame is a CG rect offset of the banner view dot frame and 0 and -50, because once again we want the banner to roll back up to be 50 pixels above the top of the view. And that's our animation. And now the banner is visible, no. So now we have our hide banner method, which changes the offset to 50 pixels above the top of the view to make the banner invisible. And of course, it sets banner is visible to no. Now, what happens if the banner view fails to receive an ad? Your code would receive the banner view did fail to receive ad with error message. So now we need to deal with that message. To do that, we put in another method. Start void banner view, select add banner view here, banner, and here it is. Did fail to receive ad with error. Start with our opening bracket and it creates the closing bracket for us. Once again, we ask the question, if the banner view is visible. Banner is visible, and once again, we fill in what to do. UI view, animate with duration, 1, animations, and this is the animation. Banner frame, CG rect offset of the banner frame, 0 minus 50. That way, there isn't an empty banner with no ad. The banner rolls back up to be 50 pixels above the top of the view. And of course, we set banner is visible to no. So this is what we do. We hide the banner if the banner view did fail to receive ad with error messages received. And that means that the banner view failed to load a new ad. So now we have the methods we need to control the banner view. What to do when it fails, which is here. How to hide the banner, which is here. And what happens when the ad is there to load, which is here. With an add banner view and a main view, we're just about ready to complete the picture.